the fact that it goes deep without a lot of effort. There's a lot of movement involved so that the joints are articulated, and that the response from the body is totally unpredictable but utterly beautiful in its resolve of any issue that that person may be experiencing at the time.
It's such a beautiful thing to open up yourself as a human, to reconnect you with your body and to find the wisdom in there.
It's different to your usual massage because it really creates resonance with the person and creates a connection, and it's very intuitive.
That it goes deep on different levels and layers. Yeah, I like it a lot because there's so much release, and I very much like this concept of unwinding the body.
What do I think about 𝗪𝗪𝗧? 𝗪𝗪𝗧 is awesome. He's a master in his craft, and he's a master at being human. He creates such a soft and at the same time such a solid place. You feel the years of experience through his hands, through his wisdom, through his words, through his presence. It's amazing. Yeah?
Yes, his teaching is profound. He doesn't make it too complicated. And I think the most important thing is that it's incredibly safe.
Sati, I think, is a great teacher. He brings a lot of love to his work, a lot of humor. He's very humble, and just the years of experience and wisdom he has, it's amazing to be around him and learn from him.
I think he's a beautiful teacher, wonderful presence. I think his teachings are profound yet accessible.
Yes, we belong to a community. This is my holiday. I've come here on my holiday because I know that I will get incredible food. I get the most amazing teaching. And then the people, we all just come from all different parts of the world, and we fit together and we stick together like glue. It's just a beautiful community to belong to. I really love it.
The space is a beautiful container for this kind of work to take place. We meditate together, so we start the day together, we dance, we eat together, and we massage each other all day, so it really creates a sense of community.
Some people I know already from previous, and it's great to reconnect and to meet them again and to work with them and to interact, and it's beautiful. And then there are some people who trigger me, and then there are some people in different ways. But in the end, always it's like in a container like that. It's usually like that in the end I find out that everybody's looking for the same, and we come together and meet, and it's beautiful exchange.
It was a very transformative experience. I feel like I've already released a lot, and I'm very grateful I came.